It's official. Apple has just dropped the brand new M5-powered iPad Pro, and this isn't just another yearly refresh. This time, Apple has gone beyond expectations, creating something smarter, faster, and truly revolutionary. For years, the iPad has been powerful, portable, and premium, but it always felt like it was missing one final leap. That missing piece? Intelligence. And now, with the Apple M5 chip, the iPad Pro doesn't just run faster, it thinks faster. It doesn't just process tasks, it understands them. Because what's inside this iPad doesn't just push limits, it completely redefines what a tablet can be. Apple has officially entered a new era, the era of on-device AI, and the M5 iPad Pro is the first step into that intelligent future. Power redefined, the M5 chip revolution. At the heart of this revolution lies Apple's most advanced processor ever, the M5 chip. Built on a next-generation 3nm plus process, this chip houses a 10-core CPU and a 10-core GPU, offering blazing performance that feels almost unreal. Apple didn't just focus on raw power, they focused on intelligent efficiency. The M5 adapts, manages, and distributes power exactly where it's needed, giving you incredible speed with incredible battery. Life.early tests show a 15% boost in CPU performance and a 30% leap in graphics power compared to the M4, but the real magic happens in the neural engine, now 3.5 times faster, capable of processing trillions of AI operations per second. This means faster image recognition, real-time video analysis, instant photo editing, and smoother app experiences. Without the cloud, no lag, no delay. No internet dependency, just pure offline intelligence running right on your device. The M5 doesn't wait for your commands. It learns your behavior, predicts your needs, and enhances your workflow in real time. Imagine creating art that feels alive, editing 8K footage without frame drops, or running AI-powered apps that respond as fast as your thoughts. That's not speed. That's Apple intelligence in action. Graphics and gaming. Console power in your hands. Apple's never been this close to console gaming before. The M5 iPad Pro delivers hardware-accelerated ray tracing, realistic lighting, cinematic shadows, and stunning frame rates. Games like Resident Evil Village, No Man's Sky, and Death Stranding don't just run, they shine. We're talking 45% more frame stability, deeper contrasts, and graphics that rival next-gen consoles on a device thinner than your notebook. The M5 GPU uses new shader cores designed for sustained performance, meaning long gaming sessions won't cause overheating or frame drops. This isn't tablet gaming anymore. This is desktop-class power in a portable, ultra-thin frame you can hold with one hand, and with the addition of Bluetooth 5.4, you can now pair next-gen controllers, stream games at 120 Hz, and experience true console-grade gameplay anywhere you go. AI-powered productivity, iPadOS 26 takes over. Running on the newly optimized iPadOS 26, this iPad becomes more than a device. It becomes your AI-powered partner. We're talking live transcription, offline translation, AI-based document summarization, and even auto-generated creative suggestions in Pages and Notes. The built-in content-aware tools in Safari, Messages, and Photos use machine learning to identify, organize, and enhance everything you do without needing a single internet connection. Working with the new Apple Pencil 3 is a dream. Sketch with precision. Edit photos or design 3D models. And the iPad will anticipate your next move. You're not just creating with your hands anymore. You're creating with your mind. Connectivity. Apple's ecosystem just leveled up. Apple has finally unified its entire ecosystem with next-level connectivity. The M5 iPad Pro comes equipped with the C1X modem and N1 networking chip, delivering a 50% faster 5G connection, 30% better efficiency, and full Wi-Fi 7 support. That means lower latency, higher stability, and zero dropouts, perfect for cloud gaming, streaming, or real-time collaboration. Apple even included Thread protocol support, so your iPad now acts as a smart home hub, controlling every HomeKit device instantly. This isn't just about faster connections. It's about creating a seamless AI ecosystem, where your Mac, iPhone, Vision Pro, and iPad all share one brain. Imagine copying text on your iPad and instantly pasting it on your MacBook, not via Bluetooth, but through AI prediction and intent recognition. This is the future Apple is building, where devices aren't separate tools, they're extensions of you. Display and design, perfection refined. Apple didn't redesign the iPad because they didn't have to. That ultra-thin, aerospace-grade aluminum body still looks futuristic, but the internals? Completely re-engineered. The tandem OLED Ultra Retina XDR display is brighter, sharper, and more color accurate than anything Apple has ever made. With 2000 nits peak brightness, ProMotion 120Hz adaptive refresh, and HDR/XDR contrast, the visuals are almost lifelike. Whether you're watching Foundation on Apple TV Plus or editing a 4K timeline in Final Cut Pro, the detail and realism are breathtaking, and if you're a creative professional, the optional nano-texture glass cuts down reflections dramatically, making it ideal for studio work or outdoor editing. Every pixel, every frame, every detail crafted to perfection, audio, camera and Apple Pencil 3, built for creators. Apple's audio system now includes 6 spatially tuned speakers, with enhanced bass and 360-degree spatial clarity. The microphones, studio-grade, capable of professional podcast recording, and the new 12-megapixel ultra-wide front camera automatically adjusts framing for FaceTime calls, while the rear camera, boosted by the M5's image signal processor, captures richer HDR photos and smoother 4K 60 video. The new Apple Pencil 3 is a masterpiece on its own. It attaches magnetically, charges wirelessly, and introduces haptic feedback and squeeze gestures, allowing artists to switch tools or adjust settings without ever leaving the screen. Zero latency. Total control. A stylus that truly feels alive. Battery. Charging and performance. True all-day power. The M5 iPad Pro doesn't just go harder, it lasts longer. With Apple's carbon silicon hybrid battery, you get up to 12 hours of non-stop real-world use. And thanks to new 65W fast charging, you can hit 50% battery in just 30 minutes. The device even uses AI-based battery management, learning your charging habits to preserve battery health for years. Heavy workloads? No problem. The M5's advanced heat dissipation and dynamic voltage control keep everything cool, smooth and efficient. This is performance you can trust. Day after day, year after year. The bigger picture, Apple's AI future, zoom out, and you'll see what Apple is really doing. This isn't about one tablet. It's about creating an AI-driven Apple ecosystem, a world where your devices talk to each other, think together, and anticipate your needs before you even ask. The M5 iPad Pro is Apple's bridge between traditional computing and the AI-powered world that's coming next. Whether you're a creator, a student, or a professional, this iPad gives you the tools to think, create, and connect faster than ever. The touch Trove close. Apple didn't just make another iPad, they made a statement, a vision of the future. With the M5 chip, Apple Intelligence, Wi-Fi 7, and the most advanced display on any portable device, the new iPad Pro stands alone as the ultimate expression of performance and creativity. If you've been waiting for the right moment to upgrade, this is it. Because the M5 iPad Pro doesn't just do more. It thinks faster, works smarter, and lasts longer.